Let's talk about another amazing technology known as ERP and its integration with digital supply chain management. Imagine a large electronics manufacturing company that produces smartphones and laptops across multiple factories and ships products to distributors worldwide. Previously, different departments like procurement, production, warehouse, and logistics used separate systems, making it hard to get a unified view of operations. Orders were delayed, inventory levels were inaccurate, and decision-making was slow. Now imagine if all departments could work on a single platform that connects planning, production, procurement, and delivery in real time. That's exactly what ERP integrated with Digital SCM enables. So, what is ERP in simple terms? ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, is a software platform that centralizes a company's core business processes, including finance, procurement, manufacturing, inventory, and human resources. When integrated with digital SCM systems, it connects the end-to-end supply chain, ensuring real-time visibility, collaboration, and informed decision-making. Now let's see how this integration works step by step. First, data from sales orders, inventory, production, and suppliers is collected and stored in the ERP system in day-to-day operations. Second, the digital SCM platform pulls this data to provide real-time dashboards and alerts. Third, analytics tools process this data to forecast demand, optimize inventory, and plan production schedules. Fourth, managers take action directly within the integrated system, like approving purchase orders or rerouting shipments. Finally, all updates are automatically reflected across ERP and SCM modules, ensuring everyone works with the same accurate data. It shows how integration removes silos and speeds up decisions. Some important uses include real-time inventory management, where stock levels across multiple warehouses are automatically updated, then procurement optimization, where supplier orders are tracked and approved digitally, and finally production planning, where manufacturing schedules adjust dynamically based on demand forecasts. A great case study comes from Caterpillar, the global construction equipment manufacturer. They struggled with disconnected systems across production, warehouses, and procurement. In 2015, Caterpillar implemented SAP S/4HANA ERP integrated with their digital SCM platforms, creating a single source of truth for operations. Post-implementation, they reported a 20% improvement in production planning accuracy, faster order fulfillment, and significant reductions in inventory carrying costs. That's amazing learning because it proves integration delivers measurable efficiency. So in a nutshell, ERP integrated with digital SCM connects all supply chain functions, provides real-time visibility, and improves decision-making across procurement, production, and logistics. So we've simply seen how this integration turns fragmented operations into a smooth, intelligent supply chain. Hopefully you found this concept very useful, and I believe this is an important learning for modern supply chain management.